Damn, what happened? Alright. Yeah, what's up the universe? I'm the third and I'm gonna show you my cooking skills. And this is my version of eggplant omelette. And we're gonna cook here right in the hood. So let's begin. Let's go! Alright. Y'all know what I'm saying? This is how we do it, simple and fast. And for our ingredients, we have this long and slender eggplant, fresh from the market. The black market. Eggs. Yeah. It's a bunch of it. Seasoning granules. Yeah, you know it because it's magic. And obviously, we need some oil. Okay, this is how we do it the professional way. We're gonna turn on the lights, ignite the fire. So please make sure that you are focused in barbecuing this eggplant. This is the old-fashioned way. This is passed through generations for our Filipino folks that learn how to cook egg omelette. See the steam? I like it steamy. So the skin is beginning to wither. It's smoky, steamy. After a few minutes barbecuing your eggplant, we're gonna skin this afterwards. And there you have it. And right now we're gonna skin this eggplant. We're gonna remove its skin. And there you have it. Steamy. Yeah, I like it.
A few moments later.
Yeah. There you have it. So this is how a master beats its egg. See that? So maybe I'm a master beater. And after we skin this eggplant, we're gonna prepare our scrambled eggs. Maybe I'll make two eggs for one eggplant. Let's go. Okay, we're done. We're done. We're gonna put some magic on it. Magic. Alright. Maybe a pinch. You already know this signature move. Do something like this. Now beat it again. Yeah. Alright. We're heating the pan while beating. Now you can feel the heat. Let's put some oil. Alright. This is the best part. And we're gonna dip the eggplant into our scrambled eggs with magic. I forgot to shred the eggplant. Damn. Cold. Let's do this. We're gonna do this. Alright. Alright, damn. Maybe we'll see it in slow motion. Eggplant master class. And there you have it. I hope you like our how to prepare this eggplant omelette. And this is so elegant eggplant. I think I'm gonna fall in love with this. And that's it. If you like how I did with my eggplant, and maybe you can be an eggplant omelette master too. And see you guys next time. I'm Wado the Third, so please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe. The eggplant omelette is done, and I'm out.